Hello, my name is Thomas Nguyen. I work for the U.S. School of Interior Design IT department. I am the IT technical support. I will show you how to do a webex session. I'm using Internet Explorer and Firefox. Just use any web browser you want. I'm using Firefox right now. First, type in nysid.webex.com, and first, since you are the host, you have to log in. Login is IT. Password is, I'm not going to tell you the password because we don't want to post up an account and a password, and then everyone can go in there beside the instructor or anyone who belongs to the school. Log in. This thing will pop up. Just don't press yes, just put later. You don't have to install that if you don't want to. Schedule since you are the host, you have to schedule a meeting. See all this link here. First, you have to name your meeting. If you're teaching a class or whatever, what's the name of the class and your name. So in case we go in here, you see like a whole bunch of meetings, and like you recording a meeting or whatever, and you see like a whole bunch of meeting here, and we don't know who is who and which is which. So it's best if you type in the name of the meeting and your name or your class, so we can identify which video recording belong to. For example, I am Thomas, and I put tutorial example. Make any password. I like to use 1234. 1234. This is the date it begins. The webex session begins. You can create one today, but set for like a few days from now if you want to. But I'm gonna do today. 6:30 is the time that the webex begins. If you're teaching any class or anything like that, my advice is to make it like an hour or 45 minutes later than when you set it up, because you don't want to start your class while everything is not working, like audio or video, etc. But I'm going to use this time. Duration is 3 hours. Email of attendees is basically any attendees that you want to send this webex session to, so the person can join the webex session. You can send as many addresses as you want. I'm going to send one to myself. That's it. Don't click on this. And audio, change the audio setting. Unclick both of these. Only time when you click this is you do an audio conference using WebEx. So we are doing a video conference right now, so we're not using this. Press OK. Start now. Alright, this thing will pop up, a screen will pop. Since we, like I said earlier about the phone number, now since we're not using any phone, conference phone, audio, whatever, we are using a computer. So just use computer for audio. Someone just sent me an email. Does the audio have to buy? Okay. Test. Everything is good. This is to test whether your speaker is working properly. Microphone. Hello. Hello. You see how this green bar when I say hello? If you say something and this thing doesn't move, meaning there's something wrong with your microphone, so you have to check on that. That's okay. Alright. To make sure everything is work correctly, first go audio again, and then sometimes you are using a machine that have two speak two type of speaker, like for example some like iMac or um, MacBook or whatever. Some laptop have a built-in speaker, and you also want to create an external speaker, and it will have an option right here. If you're not having an external speaker connected to your computer, it's not going to show two of these. As of right now, I am using a computer speaker. Same thing with microphone. Some computer have a built-in microphone, and you want to use the external microphone like this. Hello, hello. Okay, that's good. Press OK. This is to make sure that your webcam is working. Click on the little button here that says webcam. It will start a video webcam. See my it's loading right now. Just wait for a little bit. Okay, see notice my hands. That means good. If you turn this on and then you suddenly do everything and you forgot to check the audio or whatever, you see this little button right here. And when you say something, of course it's gonna show this little green part next to the microphone. Since if you are the host, and normally before you start any class, you want to record that class first. Press record on this, or if you don't or the share button right here, the share my desktop, this is what you will be you want to share that to your whoever attending the session. And this make presenter is basically you want the other person, the assignee, to present whatever on his or her desktop for you to see them. So you make that person to a presenter. Don't make the person to the host, because when you make the person to the host and you are the host, you press record here, and the video is only recording whatever you show here. But once you show the other, make the other person the host, and even if they press record, it's not going to work. It's not going to record into the system. So make sure you make the person as a presenter, not a host, because you are the host. Okay, if you have any question or any explanation on how to do this, please come to IT office. We will show you how to do it step by step. Alright, have a good one and enjoy.